Her leaning by the corner store, cherry paint, seat resting low. On her inside, counting small change slow. No chain to be found, no cops to be seen. I hopped on a bike, just a young black teen, yeah. I stole that bike, an opportunity I could not let pass. I rode it down the street with my pants hanging off my ass, doing whatever I want, doing what I like. 'Cause I be out here stealing, I finna steal me a bike. Yeah, I'm black and I steal 'cause I'm black. That bike is something I ain't never giving back. Yeah, I'm black and I steal because I'm black. Gonna sell that bike and buy me some crack. Yeah, play us some of that guitar you stole, Tyrone. But it don't matter, 'cause they'll never take me to jail. And I don't doubt, even though I'm on probation, the judge will just let me out. Ceiling birds come fly up in here, take me away somewhere near to the liquor store. Oh yeah, where I finna buy me a beer. Just kidding, I finna rob the place. Yeah, I'm black and I steal 'cause I'm black. That bike is something I ain't never giving back. Yeah, I'm black and I steal because I'm black. Gonna sell that bike and use it to buy me some crack. Yeah, I'm black and I steal 'cause I'm black. Don't ask me how, it's just a matter of fact. Shit, come on Tyrone, let's get up out of here. I think the cops are coming.